Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to draw a position vector and visualize it. So in the last two videos, we have seen description of motion in words. It consisted of two aspects. Where is the object and where did it move to? And we have seen for where is it, there were two kinds of information. How far is it from a given reference point and on which side of the reference it is there. And from being where it moves to another point. It depends on how fast it moves, which direction it moves, also how fast its fastness changes and does it change its fastness. So in this video, we are going to visualize this aspect. Where is it and how far away and which side it is. So describe the motion quantitatively, we need something called coordinate system. And this being one-dimensional system, we would be using a one-dimensional coordinate system and we'll be calling it x-axis. So how do we draw a position vector? So a position vector is drawn using an arrow. The arrow is started from the origin of the axis, the zero of the axis, to the point where the object is located. As the arrow has two informations, length and the head, the length of the arrow would give the information about how far away it is there from the reference point, that is origin, and on which side it is there is given by the arrow head. Now let us draw a position vector in this visualization window. We have this axis system. This is x equal to 0 and this is the negative x-axis and this is positive x-axis. So it has been marked 0 to 100 and 0 to minus 100. Since this x-axis represents how far it is, so it is in meters. So let's place an object at minus 40 meters from the reference point. And what motion we are going to visualize? Let us see that motion happening once. So this is the motion which we are going to visualize. The time can take values from 0 to 38.5 seconds and the object would move from being at minus 40 to all the way to the extreme right and away from the window. Using the slider over here, we can select that a specific time and it would display where the object would be present at that time. What do I mean? Let me select a time. When it is on the extreme left, the object would be here. Now the object representation has been changed to a red dot, meaning that it will move towards the right. And this blue line indicates that the object is on the left side. Now this display over here tells us where it is. So this minus 40 contains both the information put together, that it is 40 meters away from this origin, and minus indicates it is on the left side of the origin. So if you go for some other point, now at present at 13.77 seconds, it would be at 15 meters on the right side. So how do we draw the position vector? Let us take the position vector and draw for another instant of time. So at 17.52 seconds, the object would be at 30.11 meters, and this is the position vector at this time. There's an arrow starting from 0 to 30.11 meters. So for the visual clarity, I have shifted it upwards. Otherwise, it would go along this center line. We can take any instant of time. So when it is displays a number without any sign, it is understood that it is plus 78 and it is on the right side. And I'm also carrying forward the color scheme from the last videos. Red means it is present on the positive side and blue means it is present on the left side. Let us take the object to the left side and see how the position vector looks like. Now it's on the left side. The blue color indicates on the left side. Also, it can be seen with the sign. This minus sign indicates that it is on the left side. So actually, with the presence of minus number, neither we need color nor arrow. That's why many of the textbooks does not specify any arrow in a quantitative manner, because the number itself tells it is minus 26 means it is on the left side, plus 26 means it's on the right side. However, I'll be carrying forward the color scheme to make it visually appealing and more informative, because just by looking at the arrow, I can tell it is blue, so it's on the left side, and if it is red, it's on the right side. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it.